This is genuine Black&Decker vacuum cleaner with blower function. The vacuum cleaner does dry vacuuming and wet vacuuming. It is of 1400 watts with 15 liters tank capacity. It is a complete package and of genuine Black&Decker company. This is the wet vacuuming. These are the accessories included inside. This is the model WDBD15, 1400 watts, single phase 220 volts. We have other Black&Decker vacuum cleaners too. You can order these from our Daraz links and YouTube channel, Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. This unit is being packed for a Daraz order on 14th March 2024. This is the shipping label. Everything is sealed pack and ready to go.